amigos, my name is Dora. Today I am going to show you around the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest is the biggest rainforest in the world. It produces over 20% of all the oxygen in the world. That is why the Amazon's nickname is the lungs of the world. What's this? A lot of the rainforest has been cut down and burned. How terrible. We have to fix this, but first let's find out who has done this to the Amazon. Will you join me? Vamos, amigos. We are going to learn about the Amazon rainforest and deforestation. Amigos, look, it's Fumu Benny. Hola, Fumu Benny.
Hola, Dora. What brings you here to the Amazon?
Me and my friends are here to learn why the rainforest is being destroyed.
I can help with that.
That's great. Tell us everything you know about it.
First, let's start with the causes. As you know, I'm a farmer, and we farmers need arable land, so we cut down some of the rainforest for arable land. We also need space for our cattle to roam freely. Additionally, we farmers make houses for ourselves, so we need land. We use the logs from trees for lodging, and it's a really good place to go mining. Lastly, we sell lumbers from the logs we cut from the trees. We make money from this, which benefits us.
I see why, but isn't that hurting the plants and animals living in the rainforest?
Well, it causes a loss of habitat for many of the 40,000 species of plants and animals that live in the Amazon. In addition, it causes less oxygen to be produced, which leads to less clean air for humans and animals to breathe. And it also leads to more soil erosion.
Well, I didn't know cutting down the rainforest was this bad. I just realized this causes climate changes too. You see, Fumu Benny, since you cut down the forest, your problems will be increasing. Isn't there anything I can do to help stop this?
Well, the Brazilian government and many other countries' governments are making organizations to help stop deforestation and the reserving areas of the Amazon, which are protected by law. Also, many people who care about the Amazon rainforest are donating money to anti-deforestation organizations and helping clean up the destroyed sections of the rainforest.
That's great.
Dora, will you help me pack?
Why?
Because I'm moving now that I know the rainforest is so important. I think I should find another place to live.
That sounds great. Hopefully, with all this efforts, there will be no more deforestation in the Amazon. Adios, amigos. Hasta luego.